What's up, y'all? So today is Tuesday. As you can tell, I'm in the mall. We at the mall. Last minute, not last minute, but last bit of Christmas shopping. I'm ready. What you trying to do? You trying to put Trey in the stroller? You gonna hold Frederick? Well, he was eating. Anyway, we walking around the mall getting the last few items. I just did a return to Torrid. Stop it. Sit down.
Sit down.
Why you not listening? Vroom, 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 vroom. You gotta drive it, Trey. Vroom, vroom. You wanna get in another one? That man backing up with his head out. Look at him, he going to the driver's seat. You can't even reach the pedal. Where you going? Look at him. You gotta hop in. You gonna drive, Fridge? That man got that driver's seat. I'm gonna let you get it. I ain't gonna help you. You figure it out. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, Frederick. What you doing, baby? Come on. Stand up. You tall enough. There you go. Hey, we're gonna take turns. Let brother go. Frederick. 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 Look at mommy. You gotta be a passenger. There you go. You gonna be a passenger today? Hot dog man. Oh, you controlling the hot dogs. Okay.
You said 25?
20.
Oh, yeah. Well, Mariah called in this morning, like all the numbers. So, the big ones no, but we have some little
That's so
ones
cute.
at the very
Oh, sorry. Were you taking a picture, girl?
No, you good.
Okay, and then
We are finally out the mall, y'all. Gotta get them out done. Just gotta go to Ross and return my nephew stuff. I think I vlogged. No, I didn't vlog it. We went to Ross Sunday. So for my birthday, we went to Ross. We went out to eat to Olive Garden, then we went to Ross to look around for my nephew and niece. For my nephews, something for Christmas. And I got the wrong size for one of my nephews. So I'm going to go back and return that and see if they have anything in there real fast. And then I got to get a couple of gift cards. We're trying to get Christmas shopping out the way because next week, well, really, this the week before Christmas. Because Christmas is on Monday. So, we got to get it done this week. Let me see if this thing works. Yeah, I finally got a car mount. Let's see if it worked. It wasn't working a while ago. Oh, I have to put it on like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, we rocking it, we rolling. What you think? You might need to go back and get this one.
Man, I'm good.
Okay. It had this extra piece to put on the bottom of it, right here, but it wasn't sticking. So I took this off, and it's sticking pretty good. Let's see how long it lasts. This is the one who got it from Ross yesterday. It was $7.99. So I'll try to make sure it works before we go back, because I was gonna return this too. But it seems like it's working pretty good. I'm gonna leave my phone up here just to see how long it lasts up here. Yeah, looks like it's working pretty good. Where's my camera? My camera right here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, y'all, we're going to go to Ross. Alright, y'all. I am in Old Navy. Hopefully I can find some PJs in here. Oh, okay. Looking for PJs for my nephew. Cause this is all toddler stuff. I need big boy stuff. Hey y'all, we are in Burlington, trying to get this last minute Christmas shopping done. Where the boy section? Oh, I see it. Still looking for my nephew some clothes. And let's say 2T, 4T. Oh, he right here. He on this section. Tops, sets. Sets. It's kind of hard shopping for his size. He big boy size. It's kind of hard shopping for him. I ain't been really be able to find nothing. I'm trying not to go to Target and all that for him. This is cute. So she was like, he a size 13, 14. This stuff is so mixed in, I guess right here. I can't tell what's what. That's the downfall about shopping in Burlington and Ross. That stuff don't really be in the right spot. So y'all, we just left K&G. We are in oh, it's a tic-tac-toe game. We are in this restaurant. I mean, we in this drive-through. It's called Portatello's. Portatello's. It's supposed to be like Chicago style food. So they got hot dogs, beef, burgers, and salad. That's what the sign say. So
Go ahead and start.
we just spent $26. Mm-hmm. I got a chicken sandwich, fry, a small fry. I got Polish sausage hot dog and a small onion ring in a small shake. All that was $26. So we gonna see. The boys got McDonald's, their favorite. What you want to try? We got everything we needed out of K&G for the most part. Ross didn't have, I mean not Ross, Burlington didn't have nothing. What was the other store we went to? Burlington and I know we went to two stores.
No.
We went to we only went into Burlington.
You went inside the mall.
Oh, that's why I feel like I went to that's why I feel like I went to two places. Okay, well Burlington didn't have nothing. For my nephew. We was looking for stuff for Burlington for my nephew, but they didn't have nothing. But I found him some stuff at K&G. So yeah, so yeah, we done shopping for the most part. Yeah. Yeah, so we right here in Arlington. If y'all live in Texas, we right here in Arlington. Right across the street from the Parks Mall. That's where this place is.
You not hungry?
Alright, y'all, I'm about to cut the camera off. I probably won't vlog no more tonight, so I'll see y'all sometime tomorrow or whatever. my father's house, there is joy, so much joy.
It's a bit alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Oh, oh. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although
6 hours later.
many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Hey y'all, it is Friday night. Y'all saw what I've been doing all day. I've been cleaning up all day, and then I paused on cleaning. My mom came over and we went out and got all the stuff that we needed for tomorrow. So y'all know every year at Christmas, on Christmas Eve, normally we celebrate our family gathering on Christmas Eve, but this year we're doing it on the 23rd since Christmas Eve falls on a Sunday. So that's tomorrow. So we went out, got everything we needed. Y'all know every year we do games and stuff, so then my mom went and got the prizes and stuff for the games, the supplies and stuff for the games. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting all the game stuff together and watching the Grinch. But yeah, so I'm just here by myself. The boys went over to my sister's house yesterday. Trey last day was Wednesday, so he went last night after. But I can't record with her, so that's when they stayed over there. So they've been over there since last night, having fun. They'll be home tomorrow night after we come from my cousin's house. So I'm just here by myself chilling. Dwayne is out and about. I'll meet up with him a little later on tonight, and we're gonna go have dinner somewhere. I don't know where. Probably like Chili's, Applebee's, or something. Nothing fancy. Just a little simple dinner to get out the house while we don't have any kids. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. Just trying to get this together. And tomorrow, tomorrow in the morning, I have an event. Our sisterhood at church, we're having a brunch. So I'm going to that in the morning. It's at 10 o'clock at a hotel. So I'm excited to go to that. And I'll vlog that for y'all. And then tomorrow night, of course, you know, like I said, we're going to my cousin's house. We didn't get to go see lights yet. So the plan is to go see lights next week on the 30th or the 29th, one of the 2 days. Cause we like to go see Christmas lights, but we haven't went to go see them. We were supposed to go to Hurricane Harper Christmas lights. I saw people saying that they was it was good, but my husband's like the tickets was like $50. I was like, no, not to drive around to see some lights. And apparently the show is like 20 minutes long. I can go see lights for free that's longer than 20 minutes. Matter of fact, what we saw last year, I vlogged it. That was free. So, but I really want to go take the boys to go see some lights. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm about to charge up my phone. I just wanted to give y'all a little update and check in for today. Really today just consisted of me cleaning up and trying to get everything ready for tomorrow. And I gotta cook for tomorrow too. I'm making some nachos, some queso. I don't know what people call it. Some people call it rotel. I call it nachos. But basically, nacho cheese and ground beef. You know, that. I'm actually doing sausage instead of beef. But anyway. And then I'm cooking Christmas Day. Y'all know that. I be vlogging that. I'm actually trying to do a little bit more vlogging. Because in the past, I have not really just vlogged on Christmas. So I'm trying to do a little bit better. But y'all know, when it's Christmas, you really try to be in the moment. But I'll try to do a little bit better with vlogging. I ain't gonna make no promises, but I'll try. And, you know, I'm about to put my phone on the charger so I can get it charged up before I leave to go meet Dwayne.